Hooray, and today is National Tell a Fairy Tale Day. And when I started thinking about it, I thought, hey, my friend Jennifer knows all about creating fairy tales. Jennifer, introduce yourself.
Thank you so much, Katie. My name is Jennifer Turner, and I'm a Disney travel planner with Mickey Travels. I help and create and plan your magical Disney vacation, but most of all, your fairy tale. I make your Disney dining reservations, fast pass selections, create a custom itinerary, all for free. That's right, for free. That's pretty amazing, Katie, right?
It's awesome. And I tell you what, guys, we are planning a magical fairy tale trip to Disney coming up in the next few months. And Jennifer has been awesome. I could not have done it without her. And I had a question, though. Do you have any sort of tips on how to create even more of a fairy tale whenever you take your family to Disney?
Oh yes, I have many tips, but one of my favorite tips is to capture that magic even more when you're traveling with little kids is buy like little gifts, little outfits, a princess dress. So for instance, my family and I were going on a Disney cruise, so I bought this little bathing suit and cover up for my little princess.
So cute.
But I will pre-wrap it before we go. And then I create this little, I go online, I just downloaded the Wattograph font, and I create this little note, and then it says, Your Pal Mickey Mouse. It's a personalized note for my kids, and my kids flip out when they know that they're like, how did Mickey know I was here? Or how did Cinderella or Tinkerbell? It could be it doesn't have to be just Mickey Mouse. It could be their favorite princess or prince.
Oh my goodness, I love it so much. I cannot wait to go on our fairy tale vacation. If you guys out in the Sip Sip Hooray world have any sort of questions or tips, we're going to have a link directly to her site to where you can reach out to Jennifer. And I have to say, she has been a godsend planning this trip. You really have. And this is one of like 100 tips that she has to make your trip more of a fairy tale. So guys, go out to our blog, check it out.
Yes.
I'm going to have a link to where you can find this font so that you guys can go out and create a fairy tale of your own for your little families. So thanks so much.
You're
Jennifer.
welcome. And
shh,
hers is a secret.
yeah, don't tell. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye.